Hey guys, it's Shea and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I use to deep condition and how many times I do and what do I do to get my curls hydrated, because they have been so dry lately and it's driving me crazy. I hate when my hair looks so dry because I could tell and it's so annoying. So yeah, if you guys want to see the products I've been using, then keep on watching. Okay, so all these deep conditioners are sulfate, paraben, silicone free, so all you guys can use it and it's really good for your hair. And they all smell really good because I'm into smells. A lot of people don't really care about the smells about their hair products, but I really do because I don't want something in my hair that smells gross. Because yeah, that's not good, because you could smell it too on you, like you just smell like that. So yeah, my products always smell good. So let's get started. So the first product that I really started using is the Deva Curl-Melt into Moisture. So it's like a green matcha color. Yeah, so it's from Matcha. What is it? Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. So this is what I started using first. So this stuff is amazing. Like, I love it. Smells so good. It's great. So I usually will wash my hair, and then instead of using a conditioner, I would normally put in a deep conditioner. And oh, I should tell you, like, what do I do? So normally I'll shampoo my hair. You always have to shampoo your hair before you do the deep condition, because it's better if it's on clean hair, just so the treatment could go into your hair. Because usually if you have all these products and stuff, it has that coat, and you know, the coat of product is not allowing the treatment to work its way in there and do what it's supposed to do. So I would normally shampoo my hair, and then instead of using a conditioner, I will use my deep conditioner. And so recently I've been deep conditioning very often, twice, 3 times a week. Maybe twice, because I don't really wash my hair that often. So like, I try to deep condition twice a week, and that has worked amazing for me. My hair has been so dry, and deep conditioning twice a week has been amazing. So you guys should try that out. I know it's really hard to like remember to keep the deep conditioning, but just keep one like in your shower, or keep it out so you could see it, because usually if you have it away, you obviously don't see it, so you're just like, oh, I'm just gonna use my regular conditioner. No, you need to have it out so you could see it. And yeah, that's how I try to do. I leave it out so I can see what's out. Okay, so I keep repeating the same thing, but I shampoo, I use my deep condition, and then I usually have a clip, and then I use a plastic shower cap, and I usually put that on when I'm in the shower. So when I'm washing up the like hot water, because I do like hot water, the hot water would cause the steam and the heat in the shower cap, so the treatment could penetrate it through your hair. So I do that, and then certain ones I will leave in my hair overnight, but certain ones you can't do that. So I'm going to show you guys the ones that I leave in overnight, the ones you really can't, so on and so forth. So let's get into these products because I am so excited to show you guys. Okay, so the Melt into Moisture. This one I could leave in overnight. Oh my god, there's hair all stuck in it. Yeah, so this one I could leave in overnight. So I apply it how I normally, what I just told you. I put the shower cap, and then I usually don't rinse it out. So I leave it in, what do I do? Okay, I forgot to say, before I put this in, I wring out my hair so most of the water is out, so it's not dripping. And then I apply the product, and then I put the shower cap, and then I wash my body, do whatever I have to do, and then I get out. I don't rinse it out. This one I don't rinse out. And then I leave this one in overnight, and then in the morning I'll rinse it out, so it does the most that it can. It says to leave it in for about 15 to 20 minutes, but I leave it in longer than that, so it works good. And it smells good too. And then the other one I use is the Deva Curl Deep Sea Repair. So this one I don't leave in overnight. So this one you leave in for, I think, 10 minutes. Oh, this one's 15 to 22. So this one is a really strong one. I use this one because my hair has been like super dry, like super dry. So this one is really well, it works really well, and it's too strong to leave in overnight. So I would do the same thing. I shampoo, well, wring out my hair, apply the treatment, and then put the clip in the shower cap, and then I leave that in while I'm washing my body and everything, and then I rinse it out with cooler water so it locks in that moisture, because hot water does dry out your hair, but it's good to use that warm water to open up the cuticle, and then the cold water to close the cuticle so everything stays locked in. If you guys didn't know that, learned that in beauty school. Okay, so this is my most recent one, and I am so happy with this product. Like, oh my god, this stuff is amazing. So this is the one I recently used. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. So this one has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And this one is for natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. So this one smells, let me see what it smells like, I forgot. It smells really good, but I'm like, I don't know how to describe how it smells. But this one is like a brown, and it's really thick. So I've only used this once, and I see a big difference. And this stuff is amazing. Like this, I think this is my favorite one so far. I've only used it one time, but I love it. Like this one isn't as strong. Like I feel like this one's kind of better than this one. Sorry, big girl. Yeah, and this is the, okay, so and the next one that I have, this one's a newer one. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it next. Yeah, so this one is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So this one is what I need because your girl's hair is dry. So this one's white. I haven't used it yet. Super thick. It smells amazing. Shea Moisture. The smells so good. Like all of them smell good to me. But I'm so excited to use this. Girl. Target has a deal. I don't know if it's still going on, but if you spend $20, you'll get $5 back. So you're basically spending $15 on these products. I got 2 of these, so I think they're both like $11.99, so $12. So I got the $5 back, so I only spent like what? What's 12? What's 12? 24. And then I got $5 back. So I spent $19 on this. Just go get you a 20. Go ask your mom. Go get out of your bank account, whatever, and go get you these deep conditioners, because this one I use, amazing. I haven't used this yet, but I know it's amazing. So just kidding, I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see. But yeah, so go get you that deal at Target, because I used it and it was really good. So yeah, those are the deep conditioners that I'm using at the moment, and I really love them. I'm probably going to buy more. Every time I go to Target, my boyfriend gets mad because I'm always going to that aisle with all the hair products, and I'm always trying to look for new products. So if you guys have any suggestions for me to try, then let me know in the comments below and I will check them out. I got you. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I made it to 200 followers or subscribers, whatever. I made it to 200 and I'm so happy. Every time someone subscribes to my channel, I get so excited. So thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me. I'm talking too much, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!